Howdy, pirates.
Previously on CannacityHustles.
Okay.
Put a bid in. Let them know that we're not backing down.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
We won.
Let's go!
Okay, guys, we won at 460. We'll see you soon.
I actually got outvoted on this. So
Yeah.
let's see if their hunches are correct. If they are, I shall be humbled and apologize. But
Or
if they're wrong,
we're wrong.
we'll chalk it up to a newbie mistake.
Nope, Mama C's right. We got this one. Let's go see what's inside.
This may actually end up a better unit than I thought. The dude's a collector, we might find a collection. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up taking this guy home and then open him up. But until then, I guess you're just going to have to wait. Because if that's what I think it is, then that's good, fine. And if it is what I think it is, maybe I can convince my wife to let me keep it. Because I like to play guitar. Alright, here we go.
All right.
$19.58.
Whoa. What is this? Please don't actually be meat.
I was just gonna say this one.
Men's Warehouse. I like bags.
I don't have any gloves on.
Mine?
Oh!
Feels like shit.
There's a lot of boxes.
Yeah.
Mama C will be in heaven.
Well, good thing is it's only this last level back here. It's not like our 10 by 30 or whatever where
Yeah.
it's like,
This is a 5 by 15, right?
yeah.
What's
Our other
this
one,
here?
it's like you feel like you get to the door and like you look back there like, I'm never gonna get back there, man. That's super hard.
What is this? Please don't actually be meat.
I was just gonna say this one.
Men's Warehouse. I like bags.
I don't have any gloves on.
Mine?
Oh! Michael Kors?
Holy shit.
Are you kidding me? Is this real? It looks brand new. This can't be real in
still
this
has a little-
condition. I know. It still has a little tag thingy on it. Oh my god.
Is it supposed to have a,
I don't know anything about Michael Kors except they're expensive. So I don't know about how to look and see if they're real or not. I'll have to do some research. I only know about Coach and Chloe and Gucci and Ginny and Bert.
Michael Kors. Look at the zipper. It's like a generic zipper.
Wait, does it say? It has markings on it. Is it YKK? MK?
Oh, it might be the initials. That might not be
Oh,
the generic.
MK.
Yeah, that same thing with this one too.
Ooh.
So,
Be real. Oh my god.
alright, let's get that thing packaged back
What
up.
else is in here? Gosh, it's so dark in here. We seriously could ghost hunt. Just an atlas.
Open this ghost hunt.
I wouldn't throw the Atlas away. Maybe the asshole's got some buried treasure somewhere. Maybe he's got it marked on the map. He's got the shovels. I'm willing to go that extra effort.
They kept it in a box with
Wrap.
plastic. Yeah, we need to put it back in the plastic. Oh my god, this is the first time they've actually taken care of a luxury purse.
How much do you think that would be worth?
I have no idea.
If you were to have to ballpark it versus the things that
I
you
don't know.
Okay.
I have never looked that brand up. I just know they're
Well, I'll
expensive.
park at 1,000.
Actually, you're not, do you have your phone on you?
I don't know how good my internet's gonna work, but I can still give it a shot.
Okay.
What is this under here? Is this like a suitcase?
Probably another dead body.
Another. Michael,
This is the
and
sixth one we
then
found.
KORS. I think. Old albums. What does it say?
Silver tea set, baseball cards,
Missed
items,
Bathroom
bathroom.
cabinet items.
Yeah. So the card collection might be interesting. And this looks like a box of bullshit. Yeah, box of bullshit.
Toys.
You want me to crack this one open a little bit?
Sure. Is Mama gonna be mad at us?
Who cares? This is fun.
I'm just trying not to cut a limb off.
Oh, believe me, I've already done that.
Let's see that knife you've got going on there, Jimmy James. I don't know why I keep calling you that.
I don't know either.
Sounds right.
I think that's because it was my first nickname.
AIM screen name when we first met on AOL. Nice. Alright, open that sucker up.
Hoorah.
Hopefully old albums doesn't mean photo albums.
That's actual.
Is that real silver?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. It's reflecting awfully nicely.
The tone of it looks like it could be.
Like a patina?
Yeah, but I'm not seeing any marking that would suggest otherwise. Oh,
it
that's
is
what he
old
meant by albums.
records or albums, yeah. It's
Nat
records.
King Cole, holy shit, that's a good one. Well, I think that I definitely was wrong about this unit.
I would say that we've probably over gotten what we paid for it.
Yeah, we definitely are. You want to keep moving boxes, at least to put that on here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back out there to see what she's up to.
I'm going to pause this so I can go take a drink.
I'm gonna show her this.
I might get a reaction too.
Okay. Okay, so we have a surprise for you. Okay?
Okay.
So we found this box and it says portion cut meats. And we're like, oh crap. You know, is it like a whole box full of meat and it's gonna be gross? Open it up.
Oh my God. Michael Kors.
And it's brand new.
Oh my God.
has a little
Beautiful.
tag.
And they
Hang on.
kept, it still got the tag and they kept it in a box inside of a plastic bag.
Oh yeah, and there it's Michael Kors. Oh my God.
Is that amazing or
So
what?
do you know what a ballpark with that on that would be, Mom?
Not offhand without doing research.
But they're expensive, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to pause this so I can go take a drink.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
So Mom, are guts ever right?
Yes. I gotta show you. I found the real treasure.
Really?
Yes.
What is it?
I found dentures to sell on eBay.
Oh, no.
They said
Why?
that the other people said you could sell dentures, so we're gonna try it.
Are you serious?
And-
Who buys that?
Here's a Harley Davidson piggy bank
That's awesome.
in excellent shape.
That's awesome.
And he had a few pennies in him, and I found this jar with some more change, so I just combined everything. So we'll want to make sure this is handled with care.
Yeah.
And then this little bank is a basketball,
That's cute.
and he's cute too.
That is cute.
And this almost seems retro. It's a transistor radio. I have to do some research on that, but I think that's old.
You see that? That is like 1980s,
Yeah,
early 80s.
yeah, transistor radio.
Yeah, this guy collected some stuff like that water right
Oh,
there.
yeah. It's
Like
an unopened water from Las Vegas.
Yeah, it's
probably drug riddled and probably tastes like cigarettes.
Why? I haven't smelled any cigarettes in there.
Oh, good, and they
Because
didn't
it's
store
from
the
the
battery in there.
What?
They did not store the battery in there.
Smart.
Yeah,
This guy-
because that
I think
corrodes.
this guy knew what he was doing.
Oh, did we tell you what else we found?
What?
Oh yeah. Here. Come over here, Mom.
Just
Oh,
a minute.
yeah.
Just a minute. I'm trying to put this back together.
Alright, I'm recording again. This is just the second box of these. The other one is actually more protected.
Oh.
Yeah, these are falling apart, so be very
Sports Illustrated.
From
Yeah.
1958.
And
Wow.
in another box, they've got them from like Muhammad Ali. I mean, we're talking about 60s, 70s, and 80s Sports Illustrated.
And they
So-
kept them all nice. They wrapped each one individually in the other box.
Yeah.
So, good job, guys. Once again, my logic did not win the day. It was your guys' hunch. So, good job.
What's in the box underneath this?
Nothing until we get home.
You like torturing me.
F's are very good
I
at
want to get out of here before it gets
Why
too
that's
late.
so heavy is that's got like diesel truck tire chains in it.
Oh, goodness.
Wow.
Yeah, so those may be worth some money.
Well, what is all this? This looks like more collectibles.
Sports memorabilia.
What does this say? Sports memorabilia, African cloth, Pinocchio book, Blazers hockey memorabilia, Pittsburgh Steelers, and sports magazine. That must be the African cloth.
Yeah.
Wow.
Every member should have gloves.
Well,
Closed
you want to
toed
not
shoes,
open it
and
now?
something
Yeah,
for the
let's
box.
wait until we get home so we can keep it safer.
Doing something
The trailer smells like cat poo, and I don't want it to make anything good smell like that.
Oh my God.
Wow. Kept it in a plastic bag Ziploc too. 1937!
That's not the copyright though.
That's when they got it as a gift though. Which means the book would be even older than that. I've never seen a book that old. None of us were even born. Not even you. I don't know. Were your parents even born by then? That was a long time ago. 1937.
Hey, what?
That.
the magazine one, put in my cab.
Got it.
Where's
Hey, come
wait?
here.
Where's the lid to that?
Oh,
It was in a plastic bag. And the person received it as a gift.
Oh my God!
there's some old.
Are you shucking fitting me?
Nope. This should go in the cab.
Yeah. This. Okay.
And look
guys.
at how he kept it. He kept it in a Ziploc
Yeah,
plastic
this guy
bag.
was a J. Did anybody
Oh, we need to like zip that back up.
Yeah.
Can you zip that back up?
Well, I felt a little moisture. I was afraid,
Oh, okay. Got it?
yeah, when you get it home, you might want to let it air.
I just want to make sure they're completely protected.
What does that say? The terrible towel?
Steelers, Pittsburgh Steelers. Mozart, Smithsonian Chamber Orchestra.
Gee, oh my God. Is there anything this guy didn't have?
This is more Sports Illustrated.
Craft stuff?
Matchbooks, a bunch of stuff to go through. Oh, there's some of those clips that we use, the big ones.
Nice. You can always use those.
Yeah.
See what's in this next. It says transparent cabinet speaker, but it doesn't feel like a speaker. What is that?
It's what it is.
What is it?
Transparent speaker? Is that what it said? Transparent cabinet speaker. Huh.
Huh.
Never heard of such a thing.
13-inch digital. Oh, it's a TV.
Oh.
Digital LED TV with transparent cabinet speaker.
Cool. Huh. Oh, I gotta stand up for a minute.
Oh, weird. I've never seen a see-through TV before.
That ought to be worth something. Just because it's unique.
Yeah, that is interesting. I never even knew anything like this existed.
I just want to look. Just look.
Bags.
Bedding.
Looks like blankets, I think. Okay.
All right.
Have you gone through all of that stuff in there already to make sure there wasn't personal stuff in there?
No, we're just getting stuff in.
Okay. Do you know if anything in there is personal stuff? Because I don't want to make another trip out here.
As far as I know, no.
Okay. Magic 8 Ball. Are we going to make $1 million on this unit? Come on. Ask again later. That wasn't a no. I'm not hearing a no there.
If it said no, I was gonna say lying bitch.
I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but anyway, it says ask again later. Okay, well, how about was this a good choice?
Talk radio.
Yeah, this would just work. We already went through of this stuff.
Okay.
Come on, give me an answer. Leaving me in suspense here. What did it say?
Sure.
This is it. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Concentrate and ask again. Oh, you're just wishy-washy.
That's neat.
That is neat.
Canteen. Yeah, it's a little canteen. Fill it up and then just go. Teasers. Alright, well, where do you want me to set canteen now?
Brass bell.
Oh, I can go back in the box.
Okay, play with the yo-yo.
I just want to make sure there's no personal stuff there.
Okay.
Excuse me. I feel like we should probably stop and take a break for that, so.
Then stop and take a break, honey.
I just also want to kind of keep going and get this done.
Okay, what'd you find?
I just found this box, and the box says $599.99. So I checked it, and I found this inside. We'll open it up.